Hey guys, what's up? Alec back with the daily cryptocurrency, and look at that. Crypto is up, up, up. Bitcoin up to 27,000. So here we are doing a March 2023 update. I know it's long overdue, and I know you guys love these updates. Now is a great time to do it because we have Bitcoin up 33% in the past week. So we're going to talk all about that, what's going on, if the rally is going to continue. So make sure you stay throughout this entire video until the end because we're going to also go over my portfolio and some different crypto coins that could rally as much as 300 to 500% in the coming months. So you definitely want to be on top of that and in the right coins. Just to do a quick market update here because we haven't touched base in a while. We also have Ethereum at 1794, around $1,800 mark. It briefly passed the $1,800 mark earlier this morning, March 18th. It was at 1846. So that's a lot of bullish momentum also coming back to Ethereum. We really want it above 1900 and into the $2,100 mark again for Ethereum would be super bullish. Okay, now just to do a quick update on my personal portfolio. Now $17,500 in cryptocurrency. This is just one of my portfolios. Keep in mind, I also have lots of money elsewhere in crypto.com still, in the regular Coinbase app, some other places, and also I have a lot of money in NFTs still as well that could definitely bounce back and skyrocket up. So starting off, we have 10,000 in Bitcoin, then we have 1,400 in USD, we have 1,200 in the Sandbox, 1,700 Sand tokens, we have $1,000 in Apecoin, $750 in Decentraland, $500 in Chainlink, and $500 in Engine Coin. $329 in Audio or Audius, and $273 in Gala Gaming. So make sure you stay to the end because we're going to be talking about Apecoin. We're going to be talking about Audio and Gala to see if these three coins are something to be looking into. Let's talk about what's going on with Bitcoin and what's making these prices skyrocket right now. So first of all, we see Bitcoin prices go up when banks go down. Diving into the news, as one bank failed and another closes, Bitcoin and other cryptos got boosts. Market experts are linking the weekend banking crisis to the changing expectations. By the numbers, the price of the world's largest digital asset jumped 30%, which we already went over. The big picture, the mini banking crisis changed the market expectations for what the Federal Reserve Board will do. Events like this will strengthen the correlation between crypto and other risk assets. State of play. Before the Silicon Valley Bank collapse, the market was betting on a 50 basis point hike in interest rates by the end of the year. Now it is betting rates fall by that much. Between the lines, it's purely mathematical. One analyst said the NASDAQ went up, crypto did too, because the market was pricing in the rate reversal. And we see a reality check here too. Those just now waking up to the value of Bitcoin have to contend with long-term investors who now hold roughly 3/4 of the total supply. Because remember, there is a finite amount of coins. There's only 21 million coins, and that's all the coins that will ever be. And you can't print more coins, more of these Bitcoins, like the government prints more money all the time. Is the world going to end? Bitcoin plays into the narrative of the place to store your money in a crisis, one historian was saying. Remember, we've also been seeing instability in stable coins such as USDC and DAI have also pushed up Bitcoin price as investors seek a safe haven asset among the cryptocurrency investors. Flashback to what's happened in the past. If you guys remember, Bitcoin saw its biggest single month gain in history in the wake of the financial crisis in early 2013, during which the second largest bank in the country issued a levy on bank deposits and took a portion of uninsured depositors' assets. The intrigue? Tether has been absorbing what others have been losing, okay, an analyst said. It's a bizarre trend that would run counter to the idea of seeking safety. It's like taking money out of the bank in the nice part of the city and taking it out in a known gangster bank. Which one would you feel safer with? Our thought bubble sounds like an unintended consequence of wayward crackdown. Guys, remember the average fee to wire money abroad is around $45. The average fee to send Bitcoin is only around $1.50, and it's even cheaper if you use USD or other stable coins. Even better, other kinds of cryptos, including stablecoin, can be sent for even less and arrive instantly. Okay, so now that we know why Bitcoin is moving, is it going to be moving up, up, and away, or is it going to bounce down a little bit? Well, we see a support here at $24,000, and I think there's a strong chance that we're going to retest that support of $24,000 once again. Now, if it breaks below the $24,000 support, the next one is 22,000, and it could bounce up from there, from 22. Now, if we happen to break the $22,000 support again, then we have the $20,000 support after that. And I think there's a strong possibility that we will not break that $20,000 support once again. I think that's a good buying opportunity if we do see Bitcoin break the $24,000 support and the $22,000 support and head to $20,000 per coin. That's a great place to pick up some Bitcoin. In my personal opinion, that's what I'm going to be doing, just dollar cost averaging in anything under really 24,000 and heavier dollar cost averaging, buying a little bit heavier, closer to that 20,000, 19,000 Bitcoin. Okay, so let's briefly talk about Apecoin at $4.39 per coin, down 23% in the past month. So it hasn't had nearly the quite of a rally as Bitcoin did. And if you guys remember in the past when Bitcoin would rally 30%, for example, typically altcoins would, in that same week of time that Bitcoin rallied 30%, altcoins could push up 60, 90, even 120% gains if Bitcoin's rallying that much. So we could see a push up from Apecoin coming soon, a little bit delayed after the Bitcoin rally, especially if we continue to see Bitcoin hold that 27,000 and above $25,000 per coin. And especially if we see Bitcoin continue to rally into 30,000, Apecoin can definitely rally again to above $6 per coin, and even go to around that $10 per coin once again. Right now, it's only a $1.6 billion market cap, and I think that could grow to around $10 per coin if we see Bitcoin continue to rally past 35,000 per coin. I also want to talk about Audius, or their ticker symbol Audio. Their market cap is 276 billion. Okay, so this is a lot smaller of a coin. It's a riskier coin. It's up 30% in the past week, so it's already rallied a little bit. But in the past year, it's still down 62%, and from highs, it was up to $1.70 per coin at one point. And in the huge bull market that we saw in 2021, we've even seen this coin as high as $5 per coin. So can we see 1,000% gain or 2,000% gain from current prices? Let's go over that. Okay, it's definitely a risky coin and there's no guaranteed. So what Audius is, it's a decentralized music streaming protocol which was created to help artists receive a higher portion of streaming revenue compared to traditional streaming services like Apple Music and Spotify. Audio tokens are staked by node operators in order to secure the network. While artists stake audio tokens to access the protocol service, Audio also functions as the protocol governance token. So this is really trying to be like the Web 3.0 version of Spotify, and if it is successful, obviously the market cap could easily 10x, 20x. There could be a huge push on this coin, but there's obviously a lot of risk as well if nothing ends up happening with this coin and it ends up being something like MySpace, totally outdated and outphased and not changing with the times. This could go as low as 8 cents per coin once again, or even lower. So it's a high risk, high reward. Personally, I have $250 in it, and if it does hit a 10x, that'll turn into $2,500. So I think the risk versus reward at the current price could be worth it. And I also think only putting in $250 into Audius, the risk versus reward at that point is definitely worth it for myself as well. Now, one of the biggest winners if Bitcoin continues to rally could be Gala Games, now at 4 cents. Okay, so there is a buying opportunity right now. It has rallied 16% in the last day, and in the last week it's up 52%. And remember, I was saying when Bitcoin rallies 30%, altcoins usually rally a little bit harder. We're seeing this from Gala right now, up 52% in the past week. Okay, so if you can see this one closer to 3 cents or 3.5 cents, that's probably going to be better to pick it up at those levels. We could see Gala Games fall back under 4 cents again, which would be a better buying opportunity. Right now, we have to break above 6 cents and into that 7 cents to establish a new high and become bullish on Gala Games once again. We saw this one a year ago around 30 cents. And in 2021, we saw this one as high as 8 cents. So this is another coin that could still hit a 10 to 20x return or 1,000 to 2,000% gain on your money if this coin ends up taking off. This is still a small coin with the market cap 330 million. So this could easily rally into that 2 billion, $3 billion market cap. Right now, we see the circulating supply, 7 billion, the trading activity, most people, 92% of people are buying, and typical hold time is 71, which is a really good thing to see that people really want to hold this coin for long term. Learning a little bit about Gala, if you don't know about them yet, they're a good coin to be looking into and doing your homework on after this video is over. If there's one coin to look into, check out Gala. It's an Ethereum token that powers Gala Games, a platform for blockchain gaming. Gala is used as a medium of exchange between Gala Games participants. For example, it can be used to pay for in-game items. So if Gala Games takes off in general, this is going to be the currency to pay for items in the games. So their coin price has settled down to around 4 cents per coin. Could be a good buying opportunity. Dollar cost averaging is going to prove the most successful over a long term. Also buying when the fear is as high as it possibly can get, like it was in December when Gala was only 1.5, 1.6 cents per coin. That's the best time to be loading up. We might be able to see another crypto winter again if we see Bitcoin going under 20,000. So if you want to save your money and try to time the bottom, then definitely wait for Bitcoin to hit 20,000 again. The only risk is there's no guarantee that Bitcoin will go that low again. So, not having your money in the market is also a risk that you have to consider, and you have to think about risk versus reward at all times. I know you guys love these full-length cryptocurrency videos, so make sure you smash a big thumbs up on this video and share it with a friend that you think will find value in this video also. Now, we have 115,000 followers on our Instagram page. Thank you guys for all the love and support you've been showing on Instagram and on YouTube. Almost 500 posts on Instagram. And by the way, if you read the caption, you can see the daily stock market is my main account. So if you click on that link, it'll bring you to my official stock market page. If you are an investor in the stock market, we have 196,000 followers on our daily stock market page. So make sure you subscribe over there. Also, we have a YouTube channel dedicated to the stock market, the daily stock market as well. And we also have been making more money in the stock market with option trading right now than with cryptocurrency. So if you are looking to make some money with the stock market right now and you live in the USA, Canada, or the UK, you can join my program. Here you can click on success number 8, success number 7, 6, 5, and read all the positive testimonials from the stock market. These are all recent testimonials also just from last week. We see 500% gains in the stock market with option trading all the time. So it's like crypto-like gains, but with the stock market. Here's another 600% gain, $240 made, $925 made. Another student making over $500, $232. $800 up 181%, and typically we only hold for just a couple days as well. So message me here on the daily stock market if you want to join the stock market program. Other than that, just subscribe with post notifications on YouTube, the only place to catch the full-length videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.